Hi, I'm Christie Blizzard, a designer, a presenter and a crafty DIY mum that loves to create things for children and big kids at heart. I bought my first home straight out of high school, and ever since I've renovated. I've transformed 10 homes on my own whilst climbing the property ladder, and countless spaces for myself and clients too. While doing all of this, I earned a degree in journalism with the view to share my knowledge and passion with an audience. I grew up on TV as a child actor, and that ignited my passion for being in front of the camera. And I can't help but create stuff.
Excuse me, Christie, we're ready for you on set now.
Thank you. So why not pair the two?
So nice to
meet you too.
I've created 2 successful kids' fashion and accessory lines, and after selling these to be a part of Ten's The Renovators in 2011, I really solidified my goal to be the name associated with children's design. I've 2 beautiful girls of my own and understand what it takes to create practical, affordable, functional, yet memorable spaces and inspire children to be the best they can be in doing so.
So Christie, you have done everything from working on Fashion Week here, event styling at Ivy, one-of-a-kind light fittings, they're really cool, sewn accessories, custom-built furniture, upcycled furniture, and you're a mother of 2 kids. How do you find the time, and what else have you done?
Well,
Taubman's, Lego, Freedom Australia, IKEA, Shine Australia,
So Christie, with a regular spot as a style reporter on 7, constant media coverage and columns in the press, I can see you're definitely confident and comfortable in public eye. What is next for Christie Blizzard?
I want to be the go-to person with children's design, the name you think of synonymous with creating children's spaces and places. I want to sort of bring it all together and host the lifestyle segment or write the column in the newspaper that inspires people at home to do what I do and inspire mums to create things for their children. So just everyday items around the home, little craft projects, DIY things, so they can too get involved in adding value to their properties. I'm so excited about the future and working closely with you. Thank you for watching. I'm Christie Blizzard, your children's design expert.